Hey guys, Trevor here with eCommerce Paradise. Look, you are just one store away. And the reason I say that is because it's so true. You don't need to have 50 stores to be successful and have a full-time income from high-ticket dropshipping. I keep getting all these applications in my turnkey application program. And by the way, if you want to check that out, it's at ecommerceparadise.com/turnkey. But what happens is that you go through the application, you book a meeting with me, and then you fill out a form. And the form asks you a lot of questions, and one of those questions is, what are your goals? And I keep getting these answers, like I want to have a whole empire of dropshipping stores to run and stuff like that. What beginners don't understand is that you don't need a whole empire of dropshipping stores to be super successful. You just need one store. I have students that manage, run and grow just one high-ticket dropshipping store. And they're making over $50,000, $100,000 per month in revenue, which brings them around maybe $10,000 to $20,000 a month in profits. Is $10,000 or $20,000 a month in profits enough for you to live a good lifestyle? For me, it is, certainly. And for a lot of people, it is. What would that look like for you? What kind of a life could you live making $10,000 per month? If you're working at a job and you're making like $15 an hour, you're probably pulling in maybe $2,000, $2,500 a month after taxes, right? And that's before you have to pay for your rent, you have to pay for your food, your car, to pay for travel, all that stuff, right? And much less shopping and buying and stuff you want and doing the things you want to do, right? So look, you're really only one store away from making this successful. Just understand that. The biggest barrier that held me back in the very beginning was, number one, choosing the niche I wanted to start in. There's so many different products to sell online, and they are literally limitless, and it's hard to figure out which niche to choose and how to find suppliers, how to set up an optimized store, how to drive traffic to your product listings of people that actually want to buy these products that are high ticket. Because high ticket, we're talking products over $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000, sometimes up into the $10,000 or $20,000 range. So who are the people you're selling to? Well, that's a really good question. And you're not alone in asking that question, okay? So many people out there asking the same questions because it is quite confusing. If you're new to online marketing and you're new to drop shipping, or you've maybe even been doing drop shipping for some time, but it's with low ticket products, easy to sell products. Well, high ticket is a whole different ballgame. The coolest thing about high ticket drop shipping is that you only need to make one sale to make as much profit as you would take to make 10, 20, maybe 30 sales in a low ticket dropshipping store. Right? So there are a few more complications when it comes to like shipping and freight and stuff like that, but it's really, really easy to work through those and to get them done. High ticket dropshipping is one of the best business models for beginners who can afford to start it. What I mean by afford is you need to have good credit, right? So you can't really start one of these stores with bad credit unless you have a lot of cash on hand. So it's either you have a lot of cash or you have good credit, one of the two. But you're only one high ticket dropshipping store away from having a full-time income. So if you are confused and don't know where to start, I have some great guides on my blog. Go to ecommerceparadise.com and go to guides, and you can search what is high-ticket dropshipping, how does it work. You can search the best niches for high-ticket dropshipping. You can find how to find the best suppliers. You can search the best e-commerce site examples, so you can kind of look at some case studies. You can look at what you'll need to get started as far as business formation goes. All that stuff is in my blog posts. You can also get my free niches list, ecommerceparadise.com/niches. In that niches list, I break down the top 99 best and most profitable niches for high-ticket dropshipping. And also, you can get into any one of my courses where I take you step by step through niche research, through market research, through understanding niches better, like going deep into them, and also setting up a profitable store, conversion rate optimization, all that stuff. And with this, you can start one store, have lots of suppliers, lots of best-selling products, very optimized, and you can take it and grow it like crazy, and you can have a full-time income from that one store. You could even run it yourself. You could manage it from home. You can take it on the go with you and do it on your smartphone. You can travel the world while managing your store. Or you can hire virtual assistants that work in the Philippines for a very low price to manage it for you full-time, and it's almost like a passive investment then. It's almost like a business that runs itself and grows itself without you having to barely be involved in it at all. It's amazing how this stuff can work and how you can take it to the next level. The e-commerce opportunity is incredible. incredible right now. And unlike affiliate marketing, e-commerce, you get paid out right away. You sell that product, you get paid for it. Affiliate marketing, oftentimes you'll lose the commission, or that won't even get tracked, or the commission won't get paid out for 30 to 60, maybe even 90 days. Sometimes certain programs, the owner just screws you over and doesn't even pay you commission at all unless you try to bug them about it. It's really annoying. So affiliate marketing is nice and passive, but you don't get paid right away for it. You get paid right away for your efforts with e-commerce. And the coolest thing is you can build your own brand, your own marketplace. And this is a valuable asset to suppliers so that they want to be listed on your marketplace. You can build a whole community and email list around that. And then if you want to even start your own private label brand in that niche, or maybe something that's a complementary item, you can make a separate website for that, but then also sell it on your dropship store. So the sky's the limit, folks, and you really only need one store and one niche that's right for you and that's also profitable. And if you can find that perfect intersection of what's profitable and what's right for you, I think you'll be able to do really well online and really succeed. But you have to take the bull by the horns. You have to be willing to become the authority in your niche. You have to be willing to be the figurehead of your business. You have to build a really good company culture, come up with a unique selling proposition that's better than your competitors. You have to become the purple cow of your business. That's what Seth Godin calls it. When you are the most unique and incredible business, and you provide the best customer service and follow-up, and you are the #1 place people want to go to buy from. They come to you to match the prices of your competitors because they would prefer to buy from you because your story is more unique and they like you more and your website is better and your customer service is better. All right, guys, so just remember, you're one store away. Don't let yourself get hung up in all these thoughts like, I want to go super broad, I want to have 50 stores, I have to build this empire in order to be rich. You really don't. It's just simple. One store away, okay? Keep in mind that niche selection is the foundation of becoming successful with high-ticket dropshipping. So if you don't know where to start with niche selection, I highly recommend signing up for a niche selection guide. It's free. It's at ecommerceparadise.com/niche selection, or /niches. And then also go to my blog and look at all the different articles that are on there, and go through my YouTube channel and podcast and consume all my other content. I have released so many videos and so many podcasts and made so many blog articles now. It blows my own mind at how much content I've created out there that a lot of people don't even know about. It's incredible. So get out there, guys. Get into my training and choose your niche. Get into my course. It's going to walk you step by step through the entire process. I literally show you over my shoulder me building a site in real time. So do it. Launch your store. Get out of that job that's sucking your soul and start traveling the world and having more fun and living this kind of a lifestyle where you can go from city to city every few months and you can explore life in a whole new way. You can live the dream that you've always dreamed of. All right, get out there, guys. Do it, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.